Sometimes facts are dull. Popular interest is most easily stirred by the unusual. This perhaps is the reason scarcely 1 in 1,000 knows the true story of the American Indian in relation to his government. It is the strange and the unusual in relation to the Indian which has been painted as permanent adornment for the walls of our public buildings, homes, and art galleries. Even a meager knowledge of Indian facts, and they're by no means dull, must be sought by those who feel them essential to a well-rounded knowledge of public affairs. Seen for the first time, the Columbia River in these later days is as interesting as it was when it led the courageous Lewis and Clark expedition on its final drive to the Pacific. Here in the vicinity of the Dalles, we find the Indian again in pursuits with which he seems most naturally identified. Early treaties in many instances ensured to certain tribes of Indians for all time wildlife privileges which are not now enjoyed by others. In the Columbia, for instance, the Indian can spear fish, but the white man cannot. The seining method used for commercial purposes isn't easy. It takes skill and strength, for a squirming big salmon in a net on the end of a long pole exerts much leverage. Great family interest in this fellow. Seems too big for the family pan. 35 pounds is a lot of fish.